insurance is necessary if you have one vehicle or if you have 100 vehicles. And if those vehicles are titled in the name of the business, and the business could be a corporation, it could even be a sole proprietorship. If the vehicles are titled in the name of the business, then you should have commercial auto insurance, you should have fleet insurance. If your employees, if you even have one employee that is driving one of those vehicles that's titled in the name of the business, you need commercial auto insurance. As a business owner, it's really important to protect your liability. I mean, my goodness, you could be sued personally if your employee is driving a vehicle and it's in the name of the business and you don't have proper insurance. It's just not worth it. The other thing, people think that commercial auto insurance is more expensive. Actually, that's not true. If your fleet of vehicles for your business are just normal, regular, vehicles like a Ford truck or just a sedan of some sort, then honestly, the insurance is not necessarily more expensive. In some cases, it can be less expensive to have a commercial policy than to have a personal auto policy. And the good thing about commercial insurance is that it comes with higher liability limits. So normally we write commercial auto policies with like $1 million of liability coverage. And that protects the business owner, because you want to make sure if your employees are in an accident and somebody's hurt, you want to make sure that there's enough liability coverage. You don't want that person that's injured to come after you as the business owner and sue you and hold you responsible for the injuries. So it's real important as a business owner, in order to protect your assets, protect your business, protect your family, that you have high liability limits and that you have the proper insurance for your business vehicles. People want to know how they can save money on their commercial auto insurance. Well, if you have safety rules in place, for your employees, that's going to help you get better rates. Also, if you just check your drivers, like anybody that's going to be driving for your company, you should make sure you do a thorough background check on them, make sure that they have an active license, check their driving record. If you have good drivers that have very good driving records, that's going to keep your rates down on your commercial auto policy. Even if you have things like a GPS in the car so you can tell where they're going, how many miles they're driving, and how fast they're driving, things like that, then that will also keep your rates down. Because insurance companies now will ask you as a business owner, what do you have in place to ensure that your drivers are driving safely? And your rates are basically affected, and affected positively, if you're very careful on who you allow to drive your commercial vehicles. If you have any questions about your commercial auto insurance or any other insurance needs related to your business, give me a call, subscribe to my YouTube channel, send me an email, and I'd be happy to answer your questions personally or in a future video. Thanks.